If you're in construction, you know the pain of project delays. But what if your IT could keep things running smoothly? Hi, I'm here to tell you how Impress IT Solutions in Houston can keep your construction projects on track with proactive IT monitoring. In construction, every minute counts. Delays can cost you big. That's why reliable technology is crucial. Here's why you need proactive IT monitoring. Job sites depend on remote access. Any disruption adds days to your timeline. Plus, there's the need to secure sensitive data from cyber threat. And let's not forget your specialized software needs to be up and running at all times. Impress IT Solutions monitors your systems 24/7 to catch issues before they become problems. This means minimize downtime, optimize performance, and enhance security. Plus, seamless communication between sites and significant cost savings. What sets Impress IT Solutions apart? Customized plans, local expertise, industry knowledge, and scalable services. Proactive IT monitoring isn't just about fixing problems, it's about preventing them. Don't let IT issues slow you down. Contact Impress IT Solutions today and keep your construction projects on track.